boost profit in your spiritual business. Dive into the exciting fusion of spirituality and business growth. Hi, I'm Binahtiyah from Aware Multimedia. I create digital marketing content for spiritual entrepreneurs. Make sure you stay to the end of this video for a cool monetizing strategy to help you tailor your spiritual business services. I'm sharing the insights that are helping me to transform and supercharge my spiritual business. Maybe it can help you too. Finding that sweet spot where purpose meets profit can feel like a puzzle. I struggle too until I realize that they're not opposite. They actually support each other. Your unique selling point? That's your superpower. Embrace it by defining what makes your spiritual business stand out. Crafting your brand narrative is like telling a story. We all love stories. Hey, we love stories. Yeah, that's right. People connect with stories, especially ones that resonate with their spiritual journey. Your online presence is like the front of your store in the digital world. Optimize everything from your website to your content strategies and content creation. Determining fair pricing at the beginning was a head scratcher for me. Once you take into consideration the time, the effort, the work, the materials, like your computers, the graphics that you have to buy, the space that you have to, there is so much that goes into it that really the price that you place on any service or product, it's never really the true value of it. However, know that your pricing reflects the value that you bring. Packaging your services is like offering a variety pack. Who doesn't love one? Choices, choices, choices. Different strokes for different folks. Structure your services to cater to various needs. The relationships that I've built with clients have been the heart of my spiritual journey. Authentic connections go beyond just the transactions. Adding value beyond transaction is like the cherry on top. Creating educational content, engaging with your community, and ongoing support is all about enriching your client's experience. Streamlining my operations was a game changer for me, especially as a solopreneur. Time is precious, especially when you're nurturing a spiritual business and your clients. Scaling your business sustainably is like tending to your garden in its care and planning. Your uniqueness is your superpower. Identify those standout qualities that make your spiritual business shine in the crowded marketplace. Encourage testimonials, success stories, and transformations of your client. It's like sprinkling gold dust on your business. They build trust and credibility and help draw newcomers into your business. Remember, success isn't just about numbers. It's about creating a legacy that resonates with your soul's purpose. By blending spirituality and savvy business strategies, you're not just growing a business, you're nurturing your journey. Embrace the balance, stay true to your values, and watch your spiritual ventures soar. Remember to download the Monetization Strategies for Spiritual Services worksheet. This worksheet aims to guide the exploration and implementation of various monetization strategies tailored for spiritual services, ensuring alignment with your spiritual values while enhancing sustainability and profitability of your spiritual business. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, share, comment, and subscribe to this channel. For a more in-depth look on how to boost profit in your spiritual business, click the link in the description box below. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next video.